on, ladies and gentlemen, can we have a huge round of applause as we begin this event? A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. आज का दिन हम सब के लिए खास है. मैं हूं आपका एंकर सुशील अत्रे और मैं आप सबका इस विशेष अवसर पर तहे दिल से स्वागत करता हूं. We are gathered here to celebrate the launch of Nilesh Veeraji's 3 amazing books. Let's get ready for an exciting evening. Are we all ready? Yes. Amazing. सबसे पहले मैं आप सबको आज के इवेंट के बारे में बताना चाहूँगा. From lamp lightning to book unveiling, an engaging discussion with Nilesh ji, and a special announcement at the end. So without any further delay, let's kick off this memorable evening. Can I see a few tickets which you have received? Yes, we're going to have a lucky draw later in the evening, so please keep those tickets with you. अब मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा हमारे एस्टीम्ड गेस्ट से कि वे स्टेज पर आए. लेट्स लाइट अप दिस इवनिंग एंड मार्क द बिगिनिंग ऑफ समथिंग एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी. I would like to call upon our dignitaries on the stage. We are privileged to have presence of Ajay Vaidya sir, IAS Bhiwandi and Nijampur Municipal Corporation. I request sir to please come upon stage. B.K. Rekha Didi ji, Brahma Kumari Sthane Center Head. K. Ravi Shankar, CEO, Landmark Cars Limited. Please guide us, our guest for the lamp lightning. Ajay sir, we are going to go ahead with the lamp lightning. Architect Trupti Puranik, architect and philanthropist. Subbalakshmi Shirali, MD and CEO, TJSB Sahakari Bank Limited. Atul Parchure, theatre, photos and videos. If we can hear some claps, that will be amazing. Ruchira Jadhav is also right here. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Ruchira Jadhav. मैं हमारे सारे मेहमानों को, चीफ गेस्ट को निवेदन करूंगा कि आप कृपया मंच पर ही आसनस्थ हो जाइए. एक क्विक ग्रुप फोटोग्राफ के बाद and gracing this occasion, requesting architect Trupti Puranik, Mrs. Subbalakshmi Shirali, Atul Parchure and Ruchira Jadhav, all of you to please remain on stage, and joining all of them, our author Nilesh Ji Veera. Now it's time for introduction of our chief guest. We are honored to have such distinguished guests with us today. Let's give them a warm welcome as we honor them on stage. Starting with Shri Ajay Vaidya sir. Sir is currently the Municipal Commissioner of Bhiwandi Nijampur Municipal Corporation. He is an avid reader, a spiritual person. Now I request Sandeepan Reddy to please welcome Shri Ajay Vaidya sir. Moving forward, B.K. Rekha Didi ji, Center in charge of Brahma Kumari's Thane West. With a dedication to the spiritual path of Raj Yoga since her youth, she has been providing spiritual services since 1995. Under her leadership, numerous meditation classes have been established across Thane. मिलान होतो तेव्हापासून मी सरांना टीव्हीवर बघितलं आणि खूप कार्यक्रम एन्जॉय केलेले आहेत. The man actually needs no introduction. Atul Parchure, a popular TV and film actor known for his work in both Marathi and Hindi cinema. With a background in theatre, he has appeared in numerous plays and films such as Fir Bhi Dil Hai Hindustani and Khatta Meeta. Atul Parchure continues to captivate audiences with his versatile performances in both regional and mainstream entertainment. I request Sandeepan Reddy to please welcome Atul Parchure. Our author Nilesh Veera also, so I request Rikin Ghosh to please come forward on the stage and welcome our author Nilesh G. Veera. Say 10, you say 9, I say 8, you say 7, and at the count of 1, we will have the unveiling of the books. So are you ready? Yes. Yes, so here we go. 10, 9, more about the whole journey of the writing process later in the evening. Right now, these are just glimpses of the book. Master the Art of Infinite Success, Secret Steps to Live Your Dream Life. Master the Art of Unlimited Growth, Improve Yourself to Change Your Mindset. Master the Art of Multiplying Money from Financial Stress to Financial Abundance. You got a good photograph, right? Mr. Photographer? Done? Okay. I would now like to kindly invite our esteemed guests to share their thoughts and insights with us. Your words of wisdom will surely inspire and guide us as we all continue this journey together.
So I came for his love, I came for his genuineness.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing those thoughts with us. To sum it up, Nishkam Karma will help everyone. Thank you so much. Can we have a huge round of applause? I now invite BK Rekha Didi ji to please share a few words. हमें आप मार्गदर्शन कीजिए. Ma'am, would you like to be there?
विशेष बुक की लॉन्चिंग.
Thank you so very much, Mrs. Subbalakshmi Shirali. As an artist, I could relate to what you said about Walt Disney and Harry Potter. And on this note, let's welcome another artist, Atul Patsure.
नमस्कार. रिस्पेक्टेड डॅश आणि रिस्पेक्टेड गेस्ट्स. मी मराठीत बोललो तर चालेल ना? म्हणजे इंग्लिश येत नाही म्हणून नाही, पण मला मराठीत बोलायला आवडतं म्हणून. कारण आपल्या मातृभाषेत आपण जेवढे चांगल्या पद्धतीने प्रकट होऊ शकतो तेवढ्या दुसऱ्या भाषेत नाही होऊ शकत.
खूप खूप धन्यवाद अतुलजी. आणि सगळे मान्य करतील की आम्हाला सुद्धा तुमच्याकडे बघून खूप आनंद वाटतो. आणि याचबरोबर आता आपण स्वागत करूयात रुचिरा जाधव. Thank you, Ruchira. And I'll take the perks of my profession. May you write your book and I host that evening. Okay, can we have a huge round of applause for all our guests? अब मैं बड़ी विनम्रता के साथ हमारे सारे गेस्ट से निवेदन करता हूँ. Where is a good amount of claps? Yeah, come on, we are starting the show, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. So first of all, Neeraj ji, I am very inspired. मैं खूप inspired झालो. प्रेरणादायी होता खूप व्हिडिओ. तुम्ही अलिबागवरनं हा जो प्रवास आहे तो चालू केला और फिर यहाँ तक आप पहुँचे. From sales person to GM and then independent business and then a setback. 6 महीने का हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन, बेड रेस्ट, इतना सब कुछ होने के बाद आज आप इस मकाम पे पहुँचे हो. तो इस मकाम पर पहुंचने के पहले जब आप अलीबाग में थे तभी आपने सपने में भी सोचा था कि सुशील अत्रे आपका इंटरव्यू लेगा?
मैंने कभी सपने में ये नहीं सोचा था कि मैं खुद इधर बैठूंगा. तो इंटरव्यू तो बहुत दूर की बात है.
Okay, that was just to lighten up the environment. But one question, this is a very common question which has been asked, but that is the important. Sometimes the common things are very important. So what inspired you to write this book? आपको क्या प्रेरणा मिली या कैसे आपने ये सोचा?
Okay. So ये बचपन से शुरू हुआ था. मेरे 2 फ्रेंड थे बचपन में.
One more guest is going to join us. Can we have a huge round of applause for Mamta ji? Thank you, thank you. Now, please be here. बहुत सारे दोस्तों को नीरज जी के बारे में कुछ 2 शब्द कहने हैं, लेकिन मैं समय की पाबंदी की वजह से मैं सबको बुला नहीं सकता. लेकिन हम एक स्पेशल व्यक्ति को, पर्सन को यहाँ पे बुलाएंगे. नीलेश जी की आंखों का गहना, उनकी बड़ी बहना कांचन छेड़ा. Now I invite Mr. Ramesh Sharma for vote of thanks. Ramesh is a dear friend of our author.
मैं आभार प्रकट करना चाहता हूं सबसे पहले हमारे एंकर श्री सुशील आत्रे जी का, जिन्होंने इस प्रोग्राम को रोमांचक, रोचक और यादगार बनाया है। थैंक यू सो मच आत्रे जी।
The winners, I request you to please come forward and collect your gift. Alright, so with this, it's time for me to say goodbye to all of you, but I never say good night. Also, night is always young. Please enjoy the night. My name is Sushil Atre, and it's an absolute pleasure to host this event. Thank you so much, Nilesh ji, for taking me on board.